everybody, how you guys doing today? Today we're going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2023 Spirit Halloween Emmeline. Okay, so first I wanted to say off the bat, I do not have a mic today because it died and I really need to get this video out or just record it because I'm so excited to get this thing out. I first saw this prop when Brick Thunder did his unboxing, which was awesome, and the prop is just awesome, really. It's like Mr. Dark. Instead of going up, it goes out. It goes 44 inches out, but it's still 7 feet tall, so it's pretty tall. So let's just get right into this unboxing. So right here we actually have a bunch of stuff. Yeah, all of that coming right out. So, all right, guys. So I just got her out of the box. This is all the stuff in her little compartment. This thing is pretty heavy. So yeah, I'm gonna cut everything out real quick and we'll go into it. All right, so geez, this stuff is so in here. Oh my lord, it's like not even necessary for this, all this crap. Oh my lord, it's slimy. It is very slimy. I guess that's just them trying to get it to work better, but like, jeez. First thing, yeah, coming out is the very slimy mechanism. Ugh. You can literally kind of like see the goo. And you know, I'm not sure if this is fully extended, but it is extended a little bit. So I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that, coming out right out of the box. But yeah, right here we've got this crazy piece right here. Oh, it goes everywhere. Here's all of the clothing. Other than like the shoulders, everything on there, but this is like what goes over the base and all the mechanism, which is a lot. So I'm not going to unravel that right now because that's going to be a lot of clothing. Okay, here is actual Emmeline. Her sensor's right in her mouth, and honestly, a lot of people are giving this face grief. So, and I really don't hate it. I think it's pretty cool. It has light up eyes. Yeah, this thing coming towards you, it's gonna be pretty scary. I can't wait to see it. In here, we've got some more holes and another part of the mechanism. Yeah, this thing has a lot going on. Yep, we've got another spring and another, this is where the mechanism piece connects. So, yeah. Right here, we've just got a pole. This is the thing that will stop it. It is a very hard foam, and yeah, the prop will come down and hit that foam and will stop it from going any further. Then we've got two more pieces right there. And right here, we have the base, which comes in two pieces. Yeah, so it'll be a pretty big base once it's all set up and done. All right, that is going to do it for the unboxing portion of this video. Now, let's get to the setup. Alright guys, so I've just actually tested her a couple times. She works perfectly fine. So, let's plug her in. All right, guys, so that was the 2023 Spear Halloween Emmeline. This prop is absolutely insane. I love her so much. Her box actually is not that big for how big she is and how much she does. It's not even as big as Mr. Dark, not even Darling Dolly size, honestly. She's absolutely amazing. For $279, you guys should definitely go buy her. I will leave a link in the description for that because I don't know how long this thing's gonna be around before it sells out, because I'm imagining a lot of people are gonna want this thing after they see it for Halloween. But yeah, all right, leave in the comments what you guys think about Emmeline. And yeah, other than that, like I said, the link to purchase her will be in the description. Also, there will be the link to the merch. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.